Welcome back. And some national news. The Supreme Court has posed some sordid questions. Was the Prime Minister's panel given Thomas's service file, and was there details of Parmalin's case in Thomas's file? Well, the Supreme Court says that the government cannot leave matters hanging for 7 years. If government was convinced, it should have denied sanction of prosecution. Also, filing in the charge sheet is not a stigma. The Supreme Court has asked for a more streamlined procedure of the appointment of the CBC. Now, the Attorney General said that the leader of the opposition does not have the veto power. Well, news coming in from Egypt. The Egyptian military has started rounding up journalists, possibly for their own protection, after they came under attack from supporters of President Hosni Mubarak, who have been attacking anti-government protesters. A clampdown has been imposed as journalists are being barred from leaving airports with the media equipment across the country. NDTV was in fact amongst the several media organizations whose cameras were confiscated by the authorities. Well, coming back to the city, after the raving reviews he got for his performance as Karappa in Adakalam, actor Dhanush's next release is likely to be Sidan. But this time, the Manmada Rasa is only likely to pay a guest appearance in the movie directed by Subramania Siva. Now, remember, it was this director who gave that big hit, Tirada Tiradi. But a cameo or not, Dhanush's family decided to grace the event. So, mother-in-law Lata Rajnikant, wife Ashwarya, and even Dhanush's mother arrived for style in this event. Now, we are talking about the audio launch of Sidan that happened this morning.
தனுஷ்ன்ற ஒரு பெஸ்ட் ஆக்டருக்கு அதாவது பெரிய கேரக்டர் தேவை கிடையாது, சின்ன இடம் இருந்தாலே போதும் ஸ்கோர் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடுவார். அந்த மாதிரி இதில் வந்து அவர் ஒரு கேரக்டர் பண்ணியிருந்தாலும் அந்த இடத்துல ஒரு ஹீரோ ரேஞ்சுக்கு எல்லாத்தையும் சக்ஸஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காரு இந்த கேரக்டரா.
Well, Shakira's Waka Waka is probably the most famous anthem for a sports event. Now, will the Cricket World Cup produce a similar smash hit? The official video for the tournament will be released next week. Here's a sneak peek. Take a look.
By this time next week, the whole of India will be dancing to the beats of De Ghumake like these dancers. The official music video for the World Cup will be launched on the 7th of February. But is it really a Waka Waka-like anthem?
Well, actually, I won't even call it an anthem, because an anthem is quite a different thing. This is more like a song. I think it's just like a popular dance song for the World Cup, and I think that's really better than getting into that whole emotional anthem space.
The music is composed by Bollywood's famous trio of Shankar Ehsaan and Loy, who wanted to give the song a fun theme.
The regular cliche terms that we use, saying that hum aasman ko chhoo jayenge, hum chakke chuda denge, hum hasil kar denge on that. This is just a fun party song, and it's just about De Ghumake.
De Ghumake in cricketing terms simply means swing the bat as best as you can. Clearly, that's the theme of the video.
There's a lot of high energy. I'm just enjoying the vibrancy of the colors and the costumes, and everyone's really kind of gung-ho about it. So,
well, that's all we have time for. But the news in action continues here on NDTV Hindu. Have a good night.